Trink Studios.
Listen, this is the... Hey, will y'all sit the fuck down? Stop trying to have sex in here. Listen, this is the audio coming from the Lumix S5 Mark II. This is the MKE 600. So this is how this mic sounds. It is warm, it is thick, but it doesn't feel like what I hear. But it's like an industry standard, so I won't complain about how it sounds. But listen to this. Okay, my bad, shit wasn't recording. So this is the audio from the Temu mic. It was about $25, took about a week and a half maybe to come in the mail. The sound quality is not horrible. It's worth the money and it's worth the wait. If you're a filmmaker just getting started, I don't see the need to jump straight into the Sennheiser. But for me, yeah, I was doing 3-4 commercials a week, shooting my homeboy Tulo Esteban's movie every other weekend or whatever, shooting my TV series, my superhero comedy show. Y'all gotta check it out, the shit lit. But to me, it's not worth that kind of price when you can get this kind of quality and have it sounding almost like this when you boost the mids to try to match the Sennheiser. Now, of course, I mean, I don't expect it to be exactly as good as the Sennheiser mic, but I like the realistic sound of it. Life doesn't sound as bassy to me. When I hear audio, it doesn't sound as bassy as the Sennheiser. Not that the Sennheiser doesn't sound good, but no matter what, I always wind up, whatever I record, going in and thinning out my vocals a little. So it almost allows me one less step. When I'm dragging my audio, I don't have to drop the mids because it already kind of sounds like I spend 30 or 40 minutes trying to EQ it with the Sennheiser because the Sennheiser is so bassy, which is not bad again, but it's more of a radio sound, almost like someone talking on AM radio or FM radio where you're real close to the mic and it sounds bassy and rich. But when I'm filming with the distance from the boom pole, it's a little different because the space in between the talent and the microphone. So it does stand out on its own naturally because you're not so close to it. But at the same time, it still doesn't feel as real as what I hear. I don't hear as much bass in my voice. Maybe my voice is bassy, I don't know. But I don't hear that and feel that in real life. So if you're in the early stages of filmmaking, I would definitely recommend starting off with this. When you start to build your brand and you got a decent paying clientele coming in, you might want to invest in the Sennheiser. But for now, it's worth it to just get the cheap Temu mic. If it breaks, you buy another one. It's $25. But if you can use this Temu mic and EQ it to sound like the Sennheiser, saving yourself hundreds of dollars. Let me know what y'all think. If you got any suggestions, comments, questions, let me know. Leave some comments up under there. Y'all already know what it is. It's your boy Big Motherfucking Breeze. I'm hot than a motherfucker that this mic sounds so good. I really thought it was gonna be shitty, and it's not. It's thin as hell, but it's not shitty.
Trink Studios.